Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this special Android Pie system special for Toyota FJ Cruiser 26 to 2017 years. Okay, you can check this as UI interface. It will come with special harness. Special harness with compass box. This compass box is special harness will come with the head unit. Okay, let me show it. You can choose a time, or you can choose logo. You also can set the Toyota logo. Okay, let me check the all apps are here. It's built in Google Maps and built in Google Play Store. You also can change the home launcher from home screen. Change the launcher. This default launcher. Okay. Let me check the settings. About machine, you can check this MCU variant. This CPU octa-core, RAM 4GB. Its model is PX5. Android version is Android 9 Pie system. Okay. It's built-in Wi-Fi already shows the Wi-Fi, and you can connect Wi-Fi in network and the internet. Connect Wi-Fi. Okay. You can. Let me introduce Bluetooth. This device name and the pin number. This is my phone. Galaxy S8. Please turn on the Bluetooth from your phone. Then click search button. You will get the Galaxy S8. Please choose it. Click pair button. Your phone will get the command. Please put the pin number 40. Click OK. Okay, it's connected. Show Bluetooth icon. You can make a phone call. Okay. You also can streaming music from your phone. There is music. Let me show the Bluetooth music from Bluetooth. It's a volume control from your phone. You also can control volume from your phone. can control it from your phone. This amplifier, you can control it. Okay, this is Bluetooth. Let me introduce music. The head unit will come with two USB cable. You can check this USB cable from back of head unit. This USB driver, let me connect it. Okay, it play music automatically. Can control volume. It supports steering wheel control. You also can control volume from your steering wheel control. Check the video. Video disabled for your safety, so you need to set it in the settings. It's car settings, driver settings, turn on the watch video. There also have video. You can choose Samsung. It's Samsung 4K demo video without the word. Okay, let me show the Android Auto and CarPlay. This Android Auto and CarPlay adapter. We also can build in it in the head unit, but this is USB dongle. Let me show it. Open the. You will get the instruction menu. This is Android Auto and CarPlay. Okay, this is adapter, USB adapter. Okay, let me find my USB cable. It's the original USB cable. Okay, let me connect it. This one connect dongle. Connect it. You need to install AutoKit from your let me try. USB 1. AutoKit. This is AutoKit application. Please install it. You also can download this app from our website belsee.com. Okay. Open it. Please click OK and allow it. It's plug and play. You can check the settings. They are speed fluently compatible. Working model. Okay. This is my phone. When you connect the USB, it will show the connecting. Okay, it will show the Android Auto. Also, it supports CarPlay. Use your iPhone, Apple CarPlay. Okay, this show Android Auto. You can make a phone call. This is Google navigation. This phone call. And this is music from. You can download music from Spotify, Pandora, Google Music, Google Play Music. Okay. Okay, this is Android Auto. Also, it supports CarPlay. Okay. We already built in the HMA car launcher. You also can choose it with home launcher. This is default launcher. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. Okay, that's all. Thank you.